today we're going to learn what a Socratic Seminar is and how it's different from a debate.
First, how did it come about? Socrates believed that enabling students to think for themselves was more important than filling their heads with right answers.
What is the purpose of the Socratic Seminar? Participants seek deeper understanding of complex ideas through rigorously thoughtful dialogue rather than memorizing bits of information.
So, how does it work? Asking questions is the key. A moderator prompts the use of dialogue. Then participants share their thoughts and collaborate to increase their understanding.
Participants are less attached to their ideas and less reliant on persuasion for influencing opinions. Dialogue is a skill of collaboration that enables groups to create collective thinking.
A Socratic seminar is a dialogue, but a dialogue is not a debate.
A debate is oppositional, but a dialogue is collaborative.
In a debate, one listens to counter arguments, and in a dialogue, one listens to find common ground.
A debate affirms the participants' points of view, but a dialogue enlarges the points of view.
Also, a debate creates a closed-minded attitude, whereas a dialogue creates an open-minded attitude.
What does a Socratic seminar have? 1. The text being considered. 2. The questions made by participants. 3. The seminar moderator/leader. And 4. The participants.
The opening question has no right answer. It reflects a genuine curiosity on the part of the leader.
The leader acts as a moderator during the discussion.
The leader also helps their participants clarify their position when the argument becomes confused.
Another thing leaders do is help quiet students also participate.
What are the rules? Number 1, the moderator asks the participant to share a question.
Number 2, no one dominates, everyone takes turns talking, no interrupting or debating.
Number 3, acknowledge the person who speaks before you.
And finally, number 4, the moderator can summarize the discussion at the end or ask a participant to summarize it.
And now, we are going to demonstrate how we do a Socratic seminar. Okay, you guys, now we are going to start our own Socratic seminar. Today's essential question is it better to be a teen or adult? Would anybody like to start? Yes, Skyly.
Who has more responsibility, an adult or a teenager?
Okay, would anybody like to answer Skyly's question?
Because adults have to take care of more stuff than a teenager. And also, they have jobs and they have kids.
Thank you, Ethan. Would anybody else? Okay, yes, Cody.
I think it could be both because sometimes teenagers, they have to take care of their siblings because their parents aren't around. And
thank you, Cody. What are
I agree with Cody because like sometimes like when you're a teen, they kind of deal with stress because like there's just like they have more responsibility too. Like adults have responsibilities the same amount, but like sometimes teens can have a lot of responsibility because sometimes their parents, they don't care about them, and then they're just like, oh no, I don't care about them. You're just like alone by yourself. You have to care about your siblings, and then when you're an adult, you have the stress and you have to like take care of like your children, your taxes, things like that.
Thank you, Julia.
Better to be a teen or adult when handling stress.
Okay. Who would like to say something? Yes, Dylan.
That was a good question. But I think that both handle stress because adults have like jobs that sometimes their bosses give them more time and the adults take it out on the teenager sometimes. And I think both have the same stress. A teenager's gotta work with school and sometimes the chores, parents, curfews, and adults have to work with jobs, teenagers, kids, babies.
Thank you. Would anybody else like to say something? How about Mason? You haven't said anything.
Let's see a question.
Good point, Dylan. I would think that the parents have more, they have, teens are better at handling stress because the parents have to watch over the teen. Like when doing homework and they have to worry about babies and all that other stuff, like jobs.
Okay, let's move on to our next question. Who has a question? Yes, sir.
My question is, when you become
an adult do you lose the desire to be active?
Okay, would anybody like to say something? Yes, Julia.
Good question, Norma. And I think sometimes you don't have time to exercise because you have a job and you gotta watch your kids and you want to have kids.
Anybody else like to say something? Yes, Tommy.
I say no because my dad, he's 60 and he still surfs walls.
Yes, Olivia.
I agree with Tommy, and good response, Tommy, because some adults don't want to be just at home taking care of their kids or just doing dishes or whatnot. So they might make a schedule so that they have time to be active.
Okay. Let's move on to another question. Yes, Sahil.
My question is, if you're a teenager, do you tend to do bad things because you're still learning or to be cool to others?
Okay. Yes, Julia.
Okay, so either if you're an adult or a teen, it doesn't matter. You can still do bad things like do drugs, smoke. You can still do bad things even if you're an adult. So it's not really much of a difference. But when teens, they don't learn about their manners yet, and they're still learning. They're still like developing. So yeah.
Thank you, Julia. Yes, Jasmine.
In my opinion, I think it all depends on the people they hang around with or the way they grew up. Like if you're an adult and do bad things, maybe you grew up in a bad neighborhood, bad family, not too many great friends. And on the other hand, if you're a good person, you might have lived in a good neighborhood and had like good friends and stuff.
I agree with Jasmine, but it just matters about peer pressure. Like, if your friends are doing it, you kind of feel pressure to do it too.
Okay. Let's start on a new question. Does anybody have a question? How about Gunnar? Do you have a question?
Do adults and teenagers try to hide their stress from family members?
Okay. Who wants to say something? Maybe someone besides Julia. How about Ashley?
Okay, so it's quite dependent on the family they have, because if you have a very, very close family, it's quite easy for you to let it go and have them worry about you, but it quite depends on how you feel about letting things go as a person and your personality.
Thank you, Ashley. Would anybody like to add on to Ashley's point? Yes, Olivia?
That's a good point, Ashley. Just like Ashley said, I think it depends. Like some people are very conservative and they don't want to talk about their feelings, while others are very open and they want other people to understand how they're feeling.
Okay. Would anybody like to say something?
I agree with Olivia and Ashley because that if it's kind of dependent on what the family members are. Like, for instance, me, if I don't have no one to talk to, I'd probably talk about a secret that I couldn't tell anyone, and I would tell them. So if you tell me something and I don't, and I have no one to talk to, I'd just probably tell them. They're just like that. They talk about their coworkers or something about their stress.
Okay. Would anybody like to add on to what Dylan said? No? Okay, let's move on to a different question. Skylar, do you have a question for us? No. Okay. How about, Lauren, do you have a question?
Yeah, sure. Who is more mature when it comes to handling stress and responsibilities?
Okay. Would anybody like to say something? Yes, Olivia.
I think adults, because teens are so dramatic. I'm not a teen, I'm a preteen. So, oh my God. I think adults, because teens are very dramatic.
Yes, Faye.
Okay, that was a pretty good point, Leah, and I'd like to add on to that. I think adults would handle. Wait, what was the question again?
Who is more mature when it comes to handling stress and responsibilities?
Well, adults is more mature because they've been through stress when you're a teen, and they would know what to do again.
Thank you. Okay. Where you want to add something?
That's a good point, Kate, but I think it's teens.
Yeah, because they need to smoke and drink like adults do, and they could become addicted. That's how they handle stress.
That's a good point. Thank you. Okay, let's start on a new question. Does anybody have a question? Yes, Olivia.
Are there any circumstances where teens have to endure the same responsibilities as adults?
Let's go with Tommy.
Yeah, sometimes because sometimes the parents might not be there. They have to take care of the siblings, or sometimes the child has to take care of the parents.
Thank you. Jasmine?
I agree with Tommy because I get left home alone a lot, and I have to watch my little sister, so yeah.
Sophia, I saw your hand. What would you like to say?
Jasmine, but sometimes teens, like their parents aren't very reliable and they can't talk to them, or like their parents are not there for them, so teens have to be responsible for like their siblings or like what's going on in their life.
Thank you. Okay.
Yeah, sometimes like I have a sibling and it's fun to talk to, but then like if you're home alone, you probably like talk to my dog or something, or like just play on my phone. But it's like, but then like parents have to like work or like something like that, and then like yeah.
Thank you, Shia. Guys, would anybody like to summarize our discussion? No? Okay, I'll do it then. Today we talked about, is it better to be a teen or adult? We had some points about stress. Is it better to handle being a teen or adult when handling stress? We came up with really